Hello, welcome back to the Spider's Web, and in this video we're going to be doing an unboxing, and this game is one that's going to be added to a collection of like-minded games. In fact, near enough exactly the same game, only different variations, shall we say. This was a birthday present from a friend of mine, and it's Doctor Who Fluxx. Okay, so here we are with Doctor Who Fluxx, and we have some good news. We have some babies. My knives of opening have got together, they've had a bit of fun, and we've got a little baby one. Oh dear. Right, so let's get in, open the cellophane and see what these cards are like in this game. I've not seen this one before. I didn't know they did this one, so that's always nice. I know they do quite a few different Fluxx variations, so I've kind of lost track of what's what, but hey, can't have too many Fluxx games as far as I'm concerned. So there we are. Let's take the box lid off, and here we go. We have different, God, look at them, Firefly Fluxx, Star Trek Fluxx, Next Generation Fluxx, DS9 Fluxx, Monty Python Fluxx, Cthulhu Fluxx I've got, Batman Fluxx I've got, normal Fluxx I've got, all different kind of Fluxxes. But here we go. This is the one we're focusing on. How to play? Well, it's the same as any other, I would imagine. You start off by drawing a card and playing a card, and then the rules change all the way through. You've got your creeper cards, you've got your keeper cards, the special icons on this, like there are with all the special editions. And then you've got new rules, goal cards, action cards, that type of thing. So yeah, near enough exactly the same as, oh look at that, look who's the first one we see, Sarah Jane. There we go, let's tip them out and have a look. Now then, we start off as usual with the basic rules. As we say, draw one, play one. For some reason these cards are bent a little bit out of whack, but after a few plays they'll straighten out. And then we have the new rules, the Blinovich limitation effect. So we have the different doctors by the look of it. So we get the new rule cards out of the way first of all. I'm not going through them all, I'm just going to roughly show what we have. It takes too long to go through. Then we have the action cards, so we get things like Creeper Sweeper, draw two and use them, exchange keepers, move a creeper, psychic paper, run, steal something, the Pandorica has been opened, time vortex, trash something, yeah, that kind of thing. All Doctor Who references, as you may or may not know. And then we have cancelled plans. These are all the surprise cards, as you can tell, because it says surprise on the top. My next turn, stop that, so that's mine, veto. And then we have goals. So here are all the goals. The TARDIS and the Doctor, the Angels of the phone box, oh no, Bad Wolf, bunk beds, Come Along Ponds, the Dr. Donna. This must only go up to, no it doesn't, it must go up to Matt Smith's Doctor, because Pandorica was mentioned. There's Captain Jack, First Doctor, there he is, Matt Smith, River Song. There we go. Let's see how many Doctors we can see in this. Again with Matt Smith's Doctor. Tom Baker. Okay. This is where we'll see the Doctors. We've got the First Doctor, the Second Doctor, the Third Doctor, the Fourth Doctor, the Fifth, Sixth, Seventh, Eighth, Ninth, 10th, 11th. Oh, the 12th Doctor. So it must be a fairly recent variation of it if Peter Capaldi's Doctor's in there. So the future Doctor, so that would mean Jodie Whittaker at the moment. And we have some of the companions here. There she is. There we go. Now, that's the Keepers. Let's have a look at the Creepers. Cybermen, the Daleks, another Dalek, another Dalek, another Dalek, the Master, Weeping Angel, and Weeping Angel. There we go. So they're the Keepers, the Creepers, and all the other cards in this game. Looking forward to giving it a blast. Might have a go tonight, you never know. But that's it for this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Stay tuned for some more videos coming very, very soon, as we're having a games night tonight, and some games, in fact probably all of the games, are going to be videoed. So that should be fun. So as I said, we're going to get some gameplay videos coming over the next few weeks or so, and we'll see what we can get done. But that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, as always, stay safe and take care. God bless, and bye for now.